Kia ora, Year 11 and 12. This is a question from this year's calculus exam. It's question 1c, and it's a rates of change question about blowing up a balloon. So Sophie's blowing up a balloon, and the volume of the balloon is given by this equation here, which is the equation for a sphere, and V is the volume and R is the radius in centimetres. We have to figure out the radius when the rate of change of the volume with respect to the radius is 25 pi centimetres cubed per centimetres. Now don't freak out about the pi being in there, that actually makes our lives easier. All we have to do is to start by finding the rate of change of volume with respect to the radius. So dV by dr is equal to 4/3 times 3 pi r squared, which simplifies to give me 4 pi r squared. And now we have to solve that to figure out, well, when that rate of change is equal to 25 cubic centimetres per centimetres, what's r? So it's 25 pi. And what we've got happening here is that we can divide both sides through by pi, and we get r squared. I'll go really slowly. So we get 4r squared is equal to 25. And then dividing through both sides by 4, we get r squared is equal to 25 over 4. Now this is nice because you know, if you're in my class, that I don't want you to use a calculator to find that square root, right? R is equal to positive or negative square root of that. And the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 4 is 2. So it's plus or minus 5 over 2, but because we're talking about the radius, we ignore the negative solution because it doesn't make any sense. Right, so that means that our answer is that r is equal to 5 over 2 centimetres, or it seems a bit weird to leave it as 5 over 2, so let's write it as 2.5 centimetres. So there you go, that's question 1c done. I'm going to do 1d now, and then that'll be it for today.